Hi, welcome back to my video. I promise that everyone knows that smoking is very dangerous, both for themselves and for others around them. So, before that, as usual, let me introduce myself first. My name is Farah Aqillah Binti and I'm from class IC 220 in Halal Industry Management. And for today, I would like to show you some process about how to quit on smoking. However, due to addiction, smokers find it very difficult to quit the smoking habit, even if they want to do so. And here, are you ready to know the 5 step of process on how to quit smoking? Let's jump in. Alright, step 1. You have to plan or set a stop date. If the desire appears during working hour, then it will be easier to start quitting on the weekend. On the other hand, if you feel the urge to smoke on the weekend or your workplace does not allow smoking, then Monday or any weekday would be a perfect day to quit smoking. Okay, we move to step 2, which is you need to please support. Tell your family and your friend about your decision to quit smoking and ask for their support. Spend time with people who have successfully quit smoking and seek an advice. Okay, these little talks will be an incentive for you. Okay, for the step 3, you need to keep busy on yourself because many people cannot quit smoking due to the fact that they smoke when feeling bored and depressed. So don't let yourself seek relief from nicotine. Divorce yourself by engaging in physical activities that are actually beneficial to health, in addition to change your negative emotion. Furthermore, breaking a sweet also improve your mood, self-control while reducing the impulsiveness to get a cigarette or tobacco. Okay, the next is step 4. Step 4 is you need to avoid smoking triggers. Do not live with a smoker and be in a smoking area for too long. They can reignite the urge to smoke. Instead, spend time with people who do not smoke or people who have successfully quit smoking. Okay, and get rid for all your cigarette litter, cigarette butt. Okay, for the last step is you need to reward your performance. Quitting smoking is not as easy as you might expect. Therefore, every day that passes without cigarette or tobacco is a success. Remember to give credit to yourself. With the money you normally spend on smoking, and then while this process, you can now spend it on the other more necessary things. Okay? Alright, smoking for some people is a symbol of kemajuan or a symbol of a man greatness. Yet, when asking every smoker, they will always advise others not to start smoking because they themselves know what the effect is on themselves and how hard it is for them to quit. Okay, for this part, we need to know what happened to our body when we are smoking. Okay, firstly is our lungs. Our lung, it is a long-term effect of smoking, which like emphysema. This disease causes a shortness of breath. Okay, for the next is heart and blood vessel. The heart is the foundation for the smooth functioning of our limbs. The heart works to pump blood and supply oxygen to other cells and organs. Among the effects of smoking on the heart and blood vessel are like narrows blood vessel and stroke. Stroke is that increase blood pressure, weaken blood vessel and causes blood vessel to clog. Okay, for the third effect is our brain and nervous. It will decrease cognitive function. In general, this cognitive function play a role in our ability to think, memory, and process information. However, studies have shown that smoking causes this function to decline faster than non-smokers. Okay, the next is like dementia. Dementia is a disease of loss of cognitive function. Symptoms such as memory loss, difficulty making judgment, emotional change, and changes in character. More than half of dementia patients will develop as Alzheimer's disease. Okay, for the fourth effect is digestive system, which like heartburn, peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcer is like Malaysia know the disease as gastric lah. Okay, like liver disease. The liver play a role in removing toxin in the blood. Cigarettes can cause your liver to lose this function. Okay, next is Crohn's disease. In addition, the habit of smoking can cause inflammation of the small intestine, accompanied by symptoms of abdominal pain and diarrhea. Okay, the next is like effect of sexual disorder. Nicotine will interfere with blood flow to the male and female reproductive organs. The consequences are like erectile dysfunction. Impairment of blood flow due to smoking makes it difficult for men to achieve or maintain an erection. Okay, the next is decreased libido. Libido or desire to have sex will decrease due to the effect of chemical in cigarettes. Okay, next is infertility. Substance in cigarette can damage DNA in sperm and ovum that are important for fetal production. Okay, for the last effect is personal appearance. Among the effects of smoking that can be seen in short term is a change in appearance. Like, for example, it's like dull skin, yellow teeth, nail, and yellow finger due to the effect of tar on the teeth. The next is like hair loss. Smoking makes hair weak and dull and easy to fall out. Okay, and the last is skin cancer. A study has shown that smoking also increase the risk of skin cancer. Okay, so we need to avoid all this effect with quit for smoking. Okay. In conclusion, hopefully with this information, you better recognize the effect of smoking and become a turning point to quit smoking and live a healthier life. Quitting smoking is not an easy thing, but will meet with various allegations. But with strong determination, you are able to have a healthier and cigarette-free life. Quitting is difficult but worth it. The longer you stay and the more you smoke, the more likely you are to die immediately from cancer. So, try to quit smoking as soon as possible. Hashtag we are take care of you.